Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 24th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord community, link down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So gold did play out pretty much exactly as we talked about this morning. I was saying that there's a pretty good chance it's going to make a lower high, lower high. I do think this is the end of a wave three. I think we are currently in a wave four. The wave two back here lasted about 4 trading days. So I would expect this wave four to probably last around 4 trading days also, maybe stretching out something like this for more of a proper three-way pullback. So I think we'll probably get a push to the upside for wave B, which the wave B probably will take out structure from the wave A, and then we'll probably get another push down for the wave C, maybe even going down to about this 100% level, and then I think we'll likely go up to about the 278 for a wave 5. I still think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on like the 4 hour and the daily time frame. And I think the 3070 area is very likely, but probably not before we make a proper A, B, and C for the wave 4. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.